Hello guys, today we are going to learn about exponents and power of operation. So an expression like 3 raised to 5 is called a power, in which 3 raised to 5, 3 is known as base and 5 is known as exponent. So 3 raised to 5 represents that we are multiplying the 3 in 5 times. So in that case, now to evaluate the expression involving one or more than one operation, we agree to perform operations. The order of operations simply simplify the expression inside the grouping symbol. Like I will take this example 1. In this example, evaluate 11 minus 20 divided by 5 raised to 2 minus 13 upon 3 plus 8 whole bracket into 2. Now to evaluate this, I will follow this operation, simplify the expression inside grouping symbol such as parenthesis, bracket and fractional bars. So first I will solve this bar, this bracket, open bracket. First I will solve this, and in that I will solve this 5 raised to 2. 5 raised to 2 will be 5 square equal to 5 into 5, that will be 25. Now if I write this 25 here, 25 minus 13 will be 12. Now 12 divided by 3, that will be 4. Now first operation I did here is to solve this power, evaluate the powers. So first I have solved this power. Now 5 raised 12 divided by 3, if I divide this will be 4. Now if 20 divided by 4, because I have to follow the Bode-Mass rule, here I have to first divide, then multiply, then addition, then subtraction. Now for that, if I first solve in all those sign, I will solve divide first. So 20 divided by 4 will be 5. Now 5 plus 11 minus 5 will be 6, and 6 plus 8 will be 14. 14 into 2 is 28. Now for to solve this another example, evaluate a cube minus b square plus c by a plus ab plus c, and they have given all the values of a, b and c. If I evaluate this, a cube will be 4 raised to 3 minus b square will be minus 3 square plus c is 7 upon a will be 4 plus, in bracket it is 4 into minus 3 plus 7. Now to solve this, first I will solve the power, as it is we know the order to solve the operation. Evaluate all powers. First I'm doing the powers. So 3 raised to 2 will be 9, so that will be 9. 4 raised to 3, 4 cube is 64 plus 7 plus, and 4 into 3, that will be multiplication, so I'm doing first multiplication. Now we will solve this bracket first. So minus 12 plus 7 will be minus 5, and 9 plus 7 will be 16. 16 divided by 4, that will be 4. Now 64 minus 4 plus minus 5, so that will be 64 minus 9, so that is 55. Moving on, now we have some practice questions here to solve this expression. Now we are doing the practice for operations, order of operations. Now to solve these practice question, first we have to solve the powers. 7 square will be 7 into 7, that will be 49. Now 49 minus 9, open bracket, divided by 8, I have written it in like this manner, and that will be multiplied by 2. So 49 minus 9 will be 40, divided by 8 into 2. So if I divide it first, because we are following Bode-Mass rule. Now 40 divided by 8 will be 5 into 2, that will be 10. Moving on to second question. Now here we have one square bracket and 2 raised to power 1 is like in the power. So first we will solve the power. 2 raised to 4 will be 16 minus 7 upon 4. I will solve this power first. Minus 20, this whole bracket is multiplied by 3, 19 minus. Now first solve this. 16 minus 7 will be 9. 4 divided by 2, 8 will be 2. So 9 multiplied by 2 minus 20 into 3, bracket is multiplication, minus 19. Now if I solve this, 9 into 2 is 18. 20 minus 18 multiplied by 3 minus 19. So 18 minus 2, 20 minus 18 is 2. 2 into 3 is 19 minus 6 will be 13. So our answer is 13. Moving on, solve this third example, third practice question. 72 is divided by 3 square. 3 square is 9. First we will solve the power. Is multiplied by 2 upon 6. Now 72 divided by 9. So that will be 72 divided by 9. And it is in multiply with 2 whole divided by 6. So that will be 72 divided by 9 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. So that will be 16 divided by 6. Now if I simplify this, that will be 8 by 3. Moving on. Now this practice question. Fourth, 5 raised to 3 minus 1 by 2 and this bracket. So first I will solve the power. That will be 5 raised to 3 is 125 minus 1 by 2 of 12 plus 12 divided by 3. So that will be 4. 12 plus 4 will be 16. 16 divided by 2 minus 125. This will be 8. 125 5 divided minus 8, that will be 117. Now, moving on. What is the value of 2c by a whole square minus 10 into a b plus a by c? Now, 2 into c will be 5 upon value of a is minus 2 whole square minus 10 into b plus a, that will be 3, and minus 2 upon c is 5. So, solving this, 2 into 5 is 10, square will be 10 into 10. 2 square is minus 2 into minus 2 minus 10. 3 minus 2 will be 1 upon 5. So this will be 5, 5, and minus minus will be plus. So 5 into 5 is 25, minus this will be 2. 25 minus 2 is 23. So answer will be 23. Now, solving this expression, what is the value of 9 minus 2x divided by z minus y cube? So 9 minus 2 into value of x is 4. It is divided by z is minus 3, minus y will be minus of minus 1, and whole cube. So first I will solve this. This is 9 minus 2 into 4 is 8, and minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 minus minus will be plus 1 whole cube. So 9 minus 8 is 1 upon minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2 cube. So that will be minus 1 by 8. Moving on to this practice question 7th. What is the value of 7 divided by q square into 2 upon 2p multiply by minus p plus 6q minus r upon minus q. Now putting the value, 7 divided by q square. Q square is 1 by 2 square. Multiply by 2, and this whole is divided by 2 into p. Multiply by minus of p. P is 4 plus 6 into q. Q is 1 by 2 minus r is 2 upon minus q is 1 by 2. Now to solve this, first I will solve this 2 divided by this, and this 1 upon 2 square will be 4. So 7 by 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So this 4 will cancel out with this. Okay, and multiply. Mine, this will be 3, and value of r is 2. So I will erase this. This is 2. So plus 3 minus 2 is plus 1, and minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Multiply by minus 2. So that will be 7 plus 6. Answer is 13. Here answer is 13. The value of c minus 2 into a plus b upon c minus a whole square. So value of c is 5 by 2 minus 2 into value of a is minus 1 by 2 plus value of b is 3 by 2, and c is 5 by 2 minus a is minus 1 by 2. So minus minus will be plus whole square. To solve this, now first I will take whole this numerator with the common denominator 2. So this will be 5, and minus 2 multiply by inside that will be plus 2, that will be minus 4 divided by, if I add this 6 by 2 into 2, this will be 2. 5 minus 4 is 1 upon 6 into 2 is 12. The answer is minus 1 by, sorry, plus 1 by 12.